Want to impress everyone with a PowerPoint slide that looks like it came out of a 3D design software? Today, I will show you how to create a fully 3D animated snowman in PowerPoint step by step. Stay tuned because the final animation will blow your mind. First, right click on the slide, go to Format Background and select Gradient Fill. Pick your favorite winter colors one by one. Adjust their position and also set the direction for a snowy background effect. Now, let's build the snowman. Shapes. Select oval. Draw a perfect circle. Fill it with white color. Remove the outline. Set width 7 cm and height 7 cm. Then align center. Duplicate it. Resize to 5 cm. Place it on top. Again duplicate. Change to blue color for a little snowy edge. Set 5.2 cm. Duplicate once more. Resize to 4 cm for the head. Now the fun part. Insert a 32-point star. Resize to 2 cm. Change the fill color. Remove outline. This will be snowman's head decoration. Select all these shapes. Group them. Go to Format Shape. 3D Rotation. Set X rotation 325 for perspective. Next, add 3D depth. For the big oval, set top and bottom bevel to 99 each. For the middle oval, bevel 74 each.
Distance from ground minus 37 point. Select third bevel. Distance minus 28 point. Top and bottom bevel 71 by 71. Select the star shape. Bevel width 28. Height 36. Distance from ground minus 109 point. Select top oval. Distance minus 42 point. Top and bottom bevel 57 by 57. Select the oval. Go to Shape Fill, Gradient Fill. Choose the preset gradients. Adjust the direction, color and transparency. Resize to 1 cm.
Duplicate a small oval. Duplicate again. Size 0.8 cm. Color black. This is the eye. Duplicate for the second eye. Another small oval. Color orange. That's the carrot nose. Insert a block arc. Fill black. That's the smile. Remove outline. Rotate flip vertical.
Click on rectangle. Drag it to make size 4 cm by 0.2 cm.
Adjust yellow dot to blend it.
Select both rectangles. Go to Merge Shape, Union, remove outline, fill with color, rotate it to make one hand,
Duplicate, rotate and select flip horizontal. Group everything again.
to make the second hand, group them, distance -4 point. Select the eyes, distance -31 points, top bevel 11 by 11. Select the nose, bevel, cool slant 28 by 37. Select the mouth, distance -38 point. For buttons, select top oval 14 by 14. Distance 5 point and 1 point. Select Snowman, go to Materials, choose Muddy. Select eyes and buttons. Choose Material, Metal. Select bottom oval. Go to Shadow. Add blur and adjust.
Finally, let's animate it and go to animation, select spill. Set counterclockwise, custom angle 30. Enable auto reverse. Set duration 0.5 second very fast and repeat 10 times. Now, start the slideshow and watch your snowman come to life. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we have turned simple shape into a 3D animated snowman using nothing but PowerPoint. This technique proves that PowerPoint is not just for boring slides, it's a powerful design tool. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Akshrika tutorials for more amazing PowerPoint tricks. Comment below what design you'd like me to create next. Maybe a 3D Christmas tree or a winter wonderland scene. See you in next video.